Hi everyone present here. So today's chapter is coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry is a geometry where we will be mostly talking about the points in a graph plane. So here basic things what we know about a graph. A graph have four quadrants, namely first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So let us for an example take a point xy. So here in the point xy is a coordinate. So a coordinate have two parts basically. The first part x is known as abscissa, the second part is y, that is ordinate. And two, in x-axis the y value will be always 0. For example 6, 0. In the point 6, 0 will lie on x-axis since here y value is 0. Again similarly in y-axis x value is 0. For example 0, 3. The point 0, 3 will lie on y-axis cos the x value is 0. Get it? So going ahead, distance formula. So distance formula is a formula which is used to figure out a distance between two distinct points. So here in the left bottom you can see a graph. In there we have take two of the point m and n. The m point is x1 y1 and n point is x2 y2 respectively. So the distance formula is wrote like that: mn distance equals root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. It is like that: root over second abscissa minus first abscissa the whole square plus second ordinate minus first ordinate the whole square. Get clear a bit? The abscissa and ordinate are x and y respectively. Got it? So let's go ahead to the section formula. So now here in the section formula, the section formula is a formula to figure out the ratio. Firstly, at what ratio the line segment is divided. Second, at which point the ratio is being formed, means at what point a point should be highlighted such that the required ratio should be formed. Suppose like here in the graph m a is to an is a ratio. So here you can see a divides the line segment m n. So here a xy, for example. So we'll be doing that. We'll figure outing the points by using the following method: m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma, this is for the abscissa. Now for the ordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, bracket close. So here you'll be wondering what is m1 and m2. You can see the graph there. M1 and M2 are the line segment. The length of MA, M1 is, and the length of N is M2 respectively. It means the distance. So one more case: if the ratio is not given, and they had asked, for example, a line segment is there which is divided in n number of time. So how do we find out it? We use k is to 1 to figure out it. K be any value for the time as we don't know. So let be one of the point, assuming p as one of the point, so xy. So here k x2, it is same like m1 m2, but here we don't know, so we use k is to 1. Here we know, so m1 is to m2, we did the following. Here we take k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1. Here 1 is multiplied with x1. Similarly, with the ordinate, we did is k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. One more thing, if m1 and m2 are similar, that is 1 is to 1, then what would we do? We'll just add the abscissa and ordinate and divide both of them with 2. That is done here. So that's all. The remaining part of the chapter will be available after the HSLC of 2020 to 2021 batch get over. For now, this much is enough. Thank you for your patience. Stay tuned. In any doubt, you can ask me. I'll be surely making a video in clarifying your doubts. Thank you.